Directions. Read and analyze the given numbers. Determine the type of proportions. Write a direct proportion, inverse proportion, or partitive proportion. Write your answer on your answer sheet. Number 1, 60 roses is equal to 1:2 and 2.
Likey.
N is to 6 notebook is equal to 12 pencils is to 30 notebook. You have 5 seconds to answer that.
Likey.
Number 3, 20 painters and 10 hours is equal to N is to 5 hours.
Likey.
The answer for number 1 is partitive proportion. So the solution is get the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So and after this, divide the total value. The total value of it is 60 roses divided by 6 was the total of the other ratio. So 60 divided by 6 is equals to 10. So the number is number 10. To check if your answer is correct, if it is proportion, so we will check. 1 times 10 is equals to 10. 2 times 10 is equals to 20. 3 times 10 is equals to 30. So the total amount or number is 60 roses. So it is proportion. Partitive proportion is used if a given whole is to be divided into 3 or more parts, given a specified ratio. So proportion equals A is to B, B is to C. To find the terms in partitive proportion, let ABC stand for the missing terms. Get the sum of the parts, then divide the total value by the sum of the parts to determine the value of its units. Multiply its parts by the value of its unit. Answer for number 2. N is to 6 notebooks is equal to 12 pencils is to 30 notebook. So the missing term is the extreme. Answer is inverse proportion. Why? Two ratios are in an inverse proportion if an increase in quantity of one ratio result to the decrease in quantity of another ratio. Here it is n over 6 is equal to 12 over 3. So n equals 12 times 6 over 3. Cross multiply ang 12 times 6. So the answer is n equals 72 over 3. So 72 divided by 3 is equals to 24. So 24 ang number dito sa n. So 24 is to 6 notebook. Then sa kabilang ratio is equals to 12 pencils is to 30 notebook. Ang number dito sa N. So 24 is to 6 notebook. Then sa kabilang ratio is equals to 12 pencils is to 30 notebook. Number 3.